welcome to my channel Creative Art. I am Nilima and today I'm going to introduce you to the ultimate Diwali decoration kit from ItsyBitsy, using which you can do wonderful Diwali decorations like this, do 2020 photo shoots using the photo props, decorate sweets using the cute little mithai toppers, and place your Diwali photos on your albums using the Diwali embellishments like chakri, pataka. So now friends, the ultimate Diwali decoration kit is available on itsybitsy.com, on which you can get 20% off. And friends, do use my code, which is Nilima5, to get additional 5% off on any purchase you make from ItsyBitsy. So now let's quickly check out what is in the box. First is this beautiful festive decorative floral charm, which comes in 6 different designs, and this one I have is a mandala design with beautiful glitters and popping neon colors on it, which will go with any decoration. You can easily place it on backside of Devi's wall, and you have also got 2-side tape to stick it on wall, or else you can also use it as a rangoli on floor, placing it with few diyas and candles. And now friends, you can buy all these beautiful decorative items individually, which starts from just ₹99. And as there is a 20% off going on all these decorative items, so you can get it for ₹79. Now first here we have is a festive decoration floral charm, which is actually a beautiful printed mandala design decorated using few brilliant color stones and golden glitters. This floral charm is absolutely perfect to decorate any stage for puja purpose, and this can also be used as a rangoli when placed on floors, and you can definitely light few diyas or candles beside it. Next here we have is a Diwali banner which says Shubh Diwali. This is a toran with 12 pieces and a 2 meters thread in it. We will soon open it. Now next here we have 2 boxes of mithai toppers, which has 12 pieces of chakri mithai toppers and 12 pieces of rocket mithai toppers. Just imagine how cute these mithai toppers would look on the sweet decoration right on your table, and this time you won't even mess up your hand while picking up any sweet, as these cute toppers will help you to pick up any of your favorite sweet without messing your hands. And next here we have the beautiful Diwali banner of diyas, which has 12 beautiful glittering diyas, and it is so huge. Each diya is just the size of my palm, and it absolutely brightens up because of the beautiful glitters laying on it. It also comes with a thread of 4 meters, so you can definitely hang it on a bigger space also. The next item is my favorite, which will absolutely make your Diwali photographs memorable. And for that, we have got here Diwali photo props, in which we have got 4 beautiful photo props. The first one is pataka, definitely for all the patakas in the house. Next is Shubh Diwali, Diwali 2020, and I came for laddus. So this time you can carry on these props and eat as many as laddus you want. And friends, we have got 2 more packs of beautiful embellishments for decorating your Diwali photographs in your albums and journal books. So it has this beautiful diyas, Happy Diwali tags, Shubh Diwali with diya and lotus. Let's celebrate it with few rockets, pataka, fuljadi, bomb, chakri and anar. So now friends, let's begin our Diwali decoration by opening these beautiful Diwali banners of Shubh Diwali and the diyas. So first here we have SHUBH, Shubh. Then I'm going to place a diya, and then the DIWALI, the Diwali. So here is my thread. I'll start from S, and this is how I'm going to do it. Enter the first string from here, take it out from right here, then do the same with each one of them. Now this toran is ready. Let's hang it on wall. Now next, let's open the pack of Diwali banner diyas. Now these are all 12 beautiful diyas, pair of 6 different glittering colors, and this is how you have to hang them. Use a string, insert it from the front like it, and then from the back to the front. So there are 3 different ways you can use them. The first one is you can make a toran out of them and place them hanging, or else you can also hang them individually one at a time in this way. And the third and the best, what to do is simply use a 2-side tape, place it on the back side of the diya and place it on your wall for the Diwali decoration. So you can have a lot many photos with the Shubh Diwali Toran and these beautiful diyas decorating your wall and using the photo props. So now friends, I'll start decorating the balls and place the Toran and then show you how does it look. And now friends, I have completed my Diwali decoration by placing these beautiful glittering diyas on my wall, and this is how they look. I just love the beautiful banner which says Shubh Diwali. Completed decorating my sweets using cute Diwali toppers, chakri and rocket, and ready to take lots and lots of photos using the photo props. And definitely I'm going to grab some laddus. Wishing all my viewers and their families happy Diwali. And may you have a safe and prosperous Diwali this year. Bye.